Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of wood can turn into a stunning piece of art? It's a journey of perseverance and success. Much like how a sculptor sees the statue in the stone, a woodworker sees the potential in every block of wood. It's a transformative process, where the raw material takes shape under the skilled hands of a craftsman. This journey, however, isn't just about creating something beautiful. It's about the hours spent refining a skill, the patience to understand the nature of the wood, and the creativity to make something unique. It's about the resilience to keep going when the grain splits unexpectedly, or when a project doesn't come out quite right. Woodworking isn't just a hobby or a profession, it's a testament to the human spirit, a tangible reflection of perseverance. But the journey to success isn't always smooth, and that's what makes it all the more inspiring. Now, let's delve into some inspiring success stories from the woodworking industry. Our first tale of triumph hails from the heartland, where a woman named Sarah turned her passion for woodworking into a thriving business. Sarah began her journey in a humble garage, armed with nothing but an old saw, a dream, and a relentless drive to succeed. She faced countless challenges, from financial constraints to sourcing environmentally friendly materials. But Sarah never let these obstacles deter her. Instead, she used them as stepping stones, learning from each setback and forging ahead with unwavering resolve. Next, we journey to the bustling city, where a man named Carlos transformed a small family-owned woodworking shop into a flourishing enterprise. Carlos inherited the love for woodworking from his father, but he also inherited a struggling business. With innovative ideas and a commitment to sustainability, Carlos breathed new life into the shop. He introduced modern techniques, invested in eco-friendly materials, and prioritized customer satisfaction. Today, his business stands as a beacon of success, illuminating the path for aspiring woodworkers. Lastly, let's venture to the serene countryside, where a couple, Tom and Lisa, built an impressive woodworking empire from scratch. They started with a simple idea: to create beautiful custom furniture using locally sourced, sustainable wood. The journey was not easy. They battled through financial struggles, market competition, and the steep learning curve of running a business. But their resilience, dedication, and love for woodworking never wavered. Today, they are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship and their unwavering commitment to the environment. These stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the beauty of creation. They show us that success in the woodworking industry doesn't come easy. It requires grit, innovation, and a deep respect for nature. But above all, it needs a burning passion for the craft, a love for the smell of fresh sawdust, and the satisfaction of turning a simple piece of wood into a work of art. These stories remind us that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, anyone can carve their path to success in the woodworking industry. These stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the beauty of creation. With success comes wisdom. Our successful woodworkers have learned valuable lessons along their journeys. Every journey, every story we've shared so far carries a lesson or two, often more. The most crucial of them all is perhaps effective financial management. It's about understanding the value of every penny, every dime. Our woodworking maestros have learned to trim the excess, to prioritize, and to invest wisely. They've learned the art of balancing between quality and cost without compromising on either. Then comes sustainable sourcing. In an industry that's so heavily reliant on nature, it's easy to exploit the resources. Yet our successful woodworkers have chosen the path less taken. They've embraced sustainable sourcing, ensuring that every piece of wood they use is responsibly sourced. They've shown us that it's possible to create masterpieces without harming our precious environment. Innovation is another key lesson. It's not just about carving wood, it's about carving a niche for oneself in an industry that's as old as civilization itself. Our woodworkers have done it by embracing innovative techniques. They've experimented, they've failed, they've learned, and they've perfected their craft. They've shown us that innovation and creativity know no bounds. The lessons learned by our woodworkers are not limited to the confines of a workshop. They're about resilience, about patience, about learning from failures, and about never giving up. They're about respect for nature and commitment to sustainability. They're about innovation and creativity, about finding joy in one's work, and about sharing that joy with the world. These lessons have not only helped them in carving their success stories, but also in contributing to the woodworking community. They've set an example, they've inspired others, and they've left a legacy that goes beyond their creations. So as we delve into these lessons, let's remember that they're not just for woodworkers. They're life lessons that can inspire us all. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about woodworking. It's about the journey, the challenges, the victories, and the wisdom gained along the way. These lessons aren't just for woodworkers. They're life lessons that can inspire us all. And now it's your turn. We want to hear about your woodworking journey. Woodworking is not a solitary endeavor. It is a community, a rich tapestry of experiences, and a shared passion that binds us together. Each of us has a unique tale to tell, a different path we've traversed. And in the sharing of these stories, we find strength, inspiration, and a sense of camaraderie that is unrivaled. Perhaps you're just starting out with a rudimentary set of tools and a head full of dreams. Or maybe you've been at this for years, your hands an eloquent testament to countless hours spent honing your craft. Each journey is different, each tale unique, and each story a potential source of inspiration. So go ahead, share your experiences, your triumphs, your tribulations. Tell us about that first project you completed, the satisfaction you felt when you saw your vision come to life in wood, or maybe talk about that time you faced a setback, a project gone wrong, a design that didn't quite pan out. Tell us how you rose above it, how you found the courage to pick up your tools and start anew. And while you're at it, let us in on your secrets, your hacks, your innovative techniques. Tell us about that time you discovered a more efficient way to sand a piece, or that trick you used to get the perfect finish. Your wisdom could be the key that unlocks a fellow woodworker's potential. And let's not forget the laughs. Woodworking can be a serious business, but it's also filled with moments of humor. Perhaps you've had a funny mishap, a comical accident, or a hilarious blunder. We'd love to hear about it. After all, laughter is the best glue that binds us together. So share away. Let your stories inspire, motivate, and uplift. Let your experiences pave the way for others. And remember, every journey, every story, every piece of wood has the potential to make a difference. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single piece of wood. We hope these stories have inspired you and given you new insights into the world of woodworking. It's a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and passion. Remember the faces we've seen today, the workshops thriving with creativity, the businesses built from ground up, and the lessons they generously shared. These are not just stories, they are blueprints for success. They've shown us that effective financial management, sustainable sourcing, and innovative techniques are the cornerstones of a successful woodworking journey. And let's not forget the importance of a good laugh when you accidentally glue your fingers together. Thank you for taking this journey with us. Your time and attention are much appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor and give it a like. Subscribe to our channel, Woodworking Eco, for more inspiring content like this. We can't wait to hear your stories. Until then, keep crafting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep persevering.